it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. Let me start this video off with the slogan. Y'all already know what the deal is. If you're new to the channel, you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's that simple, man. It's that simple. I tell y'all, do it every video. For my people that do watch the video and y'all not subscribed, man, y'all go and subscribe, man. Y'all go watch some of my old videos, man. Y'all just go check me out, man. Check out my growth. Check out the process and stuff, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get straight into the video today. Headlight install on my Impala. For ones that ain't seen this on my channel, this is my daily driver right here. I got this car back after I had the wreck in my Charger, so I ended up getting another vehicle, you know, not too much longer afterwards, not too much later after that. So I'm probably end up making another video on this, just showing y'all the car, you know, really like doing like a review on it and everything. But as y'all can see, these headlights, they out of there, man. Plagued by the typical cloudiness, you know, oxidation. So them got to come up off of there. You know, I want to say the dude probably has like a headlight restoration thing done, because I thought he had put some new headlights on it, but apparently he didn't. He just, you know, probably buffed them up real nice. But yeah, these are the stock headlights that's in here right now. The ones from the factory and everything. And got these right here. I haven't seen them yet. Y'all can see the box ain't been open or nothing like that. It's not been open, so I'm gonna actually do like I did on my other video. I'm gonna get this open for y'all. Pop this hood. Oh, there go that man. Mama, there go that man. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I think I'm gonna try to boost somebody off the other day. Got to put my cover back on. But yeah, that's my baby right here, man. But yeah, to take these off, I want to say these are the exact same size as we needed to do on the radio video. So I actually still got these all out right here. So I think it's this one right here. Yep, same one. Screw that. Take this bad boy out. There's really only two things you gotta do to take these out right here. Screws. Then you pull this little clip right here. And it'll give you access to pull this out. But it's the same thing for the other side. Over there, no different. I always have trouble getting this screw out for some reason. I don't think it's that, well, I guess it is that long. Pretty long screw. But that's all you gotta do. Then after that, just pull this. Watch out for this lip right here. You wanna pull this out first. And clear it past this little spot right there. After you clear that, then you'll be safe to pull it out. Like that. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it's just this one connector you gotta take off right here. It's a bit of focus. Yeah, right there. And just push this guy down right here. Pull out. Give it a little wiggle. A little south side shimmy. It'll come out. Out with the old, but that's just one out. I'm gonna go ahead. I just want to take that out so I can get the other one put in, so I can give y'all a comparison on what it looked like. But let's get this opened up, man. Let's get this opened up. I'm so ready to see it's really gonna be, this is my first two big things doing to this car, man. Like, it's the daily. Ooh. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm kind of upset right now that they ain't got no protection on the outside right here. But it don't look like nothing happened. That's the only thing I see is this right here. I don't know what that's about. I don't know what happened, bro. The video stopped on me, but man, they bogus, bro. They ain't got no doggone lights in there. But I'm not even doing no tripping, cause I got lights in here. It'd really be a good time to do some light upgrade in here, you know, some bright in there, some LEDs or something. But yeah, all these do, you turn these counterclockwise and they pop out like that. They got like some glue on them or whatever. Oh snap. You just take these out, that. I gotta take all, boy, they super bogus on me. I gotta take all these out, bro. All these you gonna turn counterclockwise and then pop out. Little bitty things. Man, I know I got some LEDs somewhere, but I ain't finna worry about it. Yeah, what I'm not finna do. I don't think this is a light. Nah, it's just a plug. I mean, some wires. So you just need to take this one out back here. Unscrew that. Pop him out. Then Mr. Last guy down here at the bottom. Same thing. Counterclockwise turn. And pop out. So yeah. Oh snap. Yeah, man. That's what I tell y'all, man. Watch for this little glue, this little adhesive stuff right here. But same thing with these. You're gonna turn the counterclockwise, pull out, and then you're gonna disconnect this off the cable right there. So all these are out. All I gotta do is just unconnect it from them. So if y'all ain't know how to do that, I just show y'all how to do that, and it's pretty much just the inverse stuff which I did with it, you know. So it ain't no different. Matter of fact, I don't even think you're gonna need this one. Well, you're gonna need this one. I think you're gonna need this one. Yeah, that one ain't got one in there. But this one right here. Oh, well, never mind. You guys gonna need all of them. So scratch what I just said. So I'm finna get out of these switched over, and I'm gonna be back with y'all in a second. All right, y'all. I'm back. Man, like I said, you gotta go in and pretty much all the bulbs that was in them, you gotta put in there. But I got all them took out. Just make sure y'all don't touch the bulbs with your hands. Just touch the connector part, you know. Don't touch the actual bulb, because that's, you know, you can mess something up like that, man. You don't want to do that. So get this lid off up in here. I really need to make sure that they work before I bolt them in, but I know they're gonna work, so I'm finna bolt them in. I'm finna bolt them in. You know what I'm saying, YouTube? Because it shouldn't be no reason why it's not gonna work. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All my lines look good. Let me zoom in for y'all. All my lines looking good. I don't see no big gaps. Get this last little piece in here. It's in there. close this hood real fast. Just a little bit. Give y'all better visualization. Ooh. Yo. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, YouTube. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? What y'all think, man? Back it up. Oh, yeah. I'm digging it. Try something. Since I don't have a remote, so I won't be able to tell if the, how the little flash functions work. That's the only way I can tell. Ooh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Matter of fact, yeah. Let's see. Get this thing started up real quick. Ooh. Now that's hard. That's hard. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell which one brighter. You know what I'm saying? I feel like these over here are obviously gonna be a little bit brighter right now, just because the simple fact that them a little fogged up. But what y'all think, man? Let me
know you finna change tail like that.
Oh yeah, you know what's coming.
I already know.
All right, YouTube, I got it in there. I got to show you all the functions, man. Hold on, man. My video keep on cutting off for some reason, but this what it's on. This one it's on. Yeah. So y'all can see they work with the little motion on them or whatnot. So yeah. All right, you good. And then it flash back. Ooh. Yeah, you too. That's hard. That's hard. I'm finna get this other one put in here, and I'm gonna tap in with y'all after I get that. All right, YouTube, I'm back, man. Just finishing up. Swear, look, the park lights on.
2 turnovers and a 2-of-1-2 rate on third down tries. It's been a gutsy couple of wins so far. As for the Cowboys, they've seen quite a bit of adversity already this season and
that's with
responded well with the win over the Bengals.
Flashes, hazards on.
The Giants won their first 2 games, but they barely got by their opponents, winning both games in the final minutes. They have a very good ground game, but their passing is one of the worst in the league. The Cowboys have played very well defensively so far. They put a lot of pressure on opposing quarterbacks, sacking them 8 times in 2 games, while
Lights on.
less than 200 yards per game. They've also done very well against the run, so expect them to stack the box and go after Jones, who has been set. Expect them to keep the ball
without the lights on.
Pollard's hands to keep the pressure off Rush, who will be making it.
All right, YouTube, wrapping it up. Just done pulled it out. Giving y'all a better look at the black housing and the sunlight or whatever. I like it. I like it. The functionality is good. The fit and finish is all good. I got a little glue stuff right there I'm finna have to get off. But the fit and finish is all good on everything. The light is I can already tell it's gonna be pretty bright in the dark. But I like them, man. Real good look. Real good look. Like I say, all the seals are, it's good. All the fit and finishes. I'd give it I can't even give it. It's a 10 out of 10. It fits just like factory. No issues at all. Like I'm not even gonna cap. It's actually sealing better than my factory headlight, and that's no cap. Like it's sealed. So I like that. I really do. So I'm gonna turn the hazards back on for y'all again. Matter of fact, yeah. I don't know if it's gonna do this or not. It should. There you go. I'm trying to do that, but that's the little function that it do whenever you unlock the door or lock them or whatnot. But that's gonna be it for this video, YouTube, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. The link will be down in the description below where y'all can find these headlights. But I like them, man. I really do. It's hot as I don't know what. I'm finna get into some AC. But hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Y'all be really on the lookout for the next one. Peace out. Most Edition signing out.